Hi, my name is Peter Quiring. What you see behind me is a complete produce department solution. Let me show you how it works. One of the unique features of this unit is that specific produce can be stored at specific temperatures, thereby enhancing freshness and quality and reducing shrink at the store level. We can control peppers, cukes, and tomatoes individually. Fully stocking your display case is a continuous battle and very costly. In this case, when the box is empty, the display case automatically replenishes itself. What we've created here is an automated produce department designed to enhance the shopping experience for the consumer and save costs to retailers. For a full demonstration, please come and visit our farms at Nature Fresh in Leamington and our prototype at South Essex Fabricating at your convenience. Thank you.